Unity versus Unreal Engine. Which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you develop games without wasting time or resources. Unity offers flexibility and ease of use, while Unreal Engine delivers top-tier graphics and power. Unity and Unreal Engine are two leading game development platforms. Unity focuses on versatility and accessibility for all skill levels, while Unreal Engine emphasizes high-fidelity visuals and complex projects. The core difference lies in their approach to graphics and development complexity. Unity is a widely used game engine designed for flexibility across multiple platforms including mobile, PC, and consoles. It operates on a component-based system allowing developers to create games with a mix of 2D and 3D assets. Unity's interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners and efficient for rapid prototyping. It supports C-double scripting, which is popular and easy to learn. Strengths include a vast asset store, strong community support, and lightweight performance ideal for mobile and indie games. However, Unity's graphics capabilities, while solid, typically require additional plugins or optimization to match high-end visuals. It's ideal for developers seeking quick deployment, cross-platform compatibility, and a lower learning curve. Unreal Engine is a powerful game engine known for delivering photorealistic graphics and cinematic quality. Built with Clear++ and Blueprint visual scripting, it caters to both programmers and designers. Unreal excels in rendering complex 3D environments with advanced lighting, physics, and particle effects. Its out-of-the-box graphical fidelity is unmatched, making it a favorite for AAA games and high-budget projects. The engine supports large-scale worlds and detailed assets, but demands more from hardware and has a steeper learning curve. Ideal users are experienced developers or teams focused on creating visually stunning, resource-intensive games for PC and consoles. Unreal's built-in tools for animation and audio also enhance the overall production value. Unity and Unreal Engine both serve different development needs. Unity shines in versatility and ease, perfect for mobile games, VR, and smaller projects where quick iteration and cross-platform support matter. Unreal Engine, on the other hand, dominates in high-end graphics and complex simulations, suited for AAA titles and visually driven experiences. Unity's lightweight footprint lets developers reach a broad audience with modest hardware, while Unreal requires more powerful systems but rewards with stunning visuals. Trade-offs include Unity's simpler learning curve versus Unreal's depth and power. Choosing between them depends on project scope, target platforms, and desired visual quality. Choose Unity if you want a flexible, beginner-friendly engine that supports rapid development across many platforms, especially for mobile and indie games. Opt for Unreal Engine if your priority is cutting-edge graphics and complex gameplay on high-end platforms. It's the best choice for experienced developers aiming for AAA quality games. Both engines excel but match your choice to your project's needs for the best results.